everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about two experiences from two of the biggest digital platforms, Airbnb and Zillow. So recently my parents, they were looking for an Airbnb for our vacation, and they found this really nice Airbnb, and they saw these huge curtains in multiple parts of the house. So they immediately booked the place, and by the time we got there and we pulled back those curtains, there was no window behind it. Because my parents, they love all the windows, they love the outdoors, so they thought with all those curtains there must be windows. Turns out it was just a plain old wall. Oops, sucks to be us, right? Same thing with Zillow. In Zillow, when we were recently looking to rent out a house, we saw this really nice house. Its picture was perfect. It had everything we wanted. Its location was great based on the picture. By the time we got there, realized that this house was on a steep hill. It was a bit tilted, a bit lopsided actually, and it just didn't look nice at all. And we realized that they were able to sort of manipulate the situation by just turning over the camera. And the thing is that our Airbnb host and the Zillow person, they didn't do anything wrong, because nowhere in the description did it say there's windows, or nowhere in the description did it say that it's on a perfectly leveled place. Never said any of that. So of course, we were pretty angry, but we couldn't do anything about it. So this is where my unique thought comes into play. What if there could be some sort of service either integrated in these digital platforms like Airbnb and Zillow, or maybe a separate website that you can upload a photo on, and then it could make you a list saying bam, 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 all of these might seem misleading. So that maybe if we got that Airbnb picture and put it on this website, it could tell us, there seems to be lots of curtains there, but we don't know if there's windows. You might want to ask these questions, or check this out, or research this in more detail. That way we aren't making these same mistakes again, wasting gas, wasting our money, and renting out a place, or finding a place, finding a vacation home, buying a house, whatever you are trying to do, and you get the wrong feeling out of it. Anyways, let me know what you think about my unique thought. And if you didn't guess it yet, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So hopefully you enjoyed my unique thought, and if I was able to get my unique thought by just looking around me, so can you. So make sure you keep your eyes and your mind wide open. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and of course share. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!